What's going on, guys? So I was in Walmart today, and not the one I work at actually, and I was pleasantly surprised to see this on the clearance shelf. A Blue Yeti Blackout microphone for $54. Now it says the regular price is $114. I'm not sure if it actually sold for that or not, but that's what it says. Now, funny story actually. There were like 5 or 6 of these sitting on the shelf. And so I picked this one up, and there was another guy behind me looking at him too, and he grabbed all the rest of them and put them in his shopping cart. So these were all gone. So I was lucky to get this one, I guess, because he grabbed all the rest of them. So yeah, this is a pretty good deal, $54 for it, because this normally sells for like $100 at least. And these are good microphones, so I was very happy to get one. Now this is the microphone that I have been using. This one right here. This microphone, this is just a Logitech desktop microphone. That's what it was called when I bought it. And this was pretty cheap. It was only like $20. But it worked fairly well for what it was. And I've been using this for several years. I don't remember when I got it. I think it was like maybe 4 or 5 years ago. And so whenever you've been watching my other videos, I've been doing, like if I ever did like a voiceover for gameplay or anything like that, or streams, I was using this microphone. And again, it's not bad. But this one though should be a lot better. So I look forward to checking it out and testing it and see how much better it sounds. I'll take a look at the box real quick. This is of course the black one. So it has... you got a mute button on there. You got a volume control as well, which is very nice. This side of the box tells you a little about Yetis. Yeti is a legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. And the back here tells you about the microphone. You have a mute button. You have a master volume. You got a regular stereo setting. You have an omnidirectional setting, so it records sound from a 360-degree angle. Of course, also includes a USB cable and the stand, of course. So very nice. And this is the back. This tells you more about the different modes here. You got stereo and omnidirectional, bidirectional. This tells you more about it. So very nice. So let's just open it up right now, and we will take a look and see what's in here. And hopefully this is brand new. It should be brand new. Alright. Okay, so we got a box. It's in a box. Alright, oh, and this has tape on it, of course. Let me see if I can just get that off real quick. Solve that problem. Alright, so we have USB cable. We have some instructions. Very nice. Styrofoam. And, of course, the microphone itself. Oh. Oh, yes. Well, that's actually bigger than I thought. Wow. That is really sweet. Look at that. Man, look how tall that is. It's also heavier than I thought too. This is very nice. This is a lot better than... That's a lot better than that, isn't it? Way better. Let's see, anything else here in the box? There's no software or anything, so it's probably just plug and play. And yeah, if we just throw that out. So yeah, very nice. Look at this. This is nice, heavy, sturdy material. So again, you have your gain control here, and you have a master volume. Actually, that is the master volume. This is the different modes that you can choose between. There you go. It's a little stiff there, but should be all right. I probably won't be changing it that much. And of course, on the back here, you got your mute, and this is your master volume right here. So very nice. And I think on the bottom here, that's where your this is where your USB goes, and you also have a headphone jack here as well. And you also got different mounting options. So very cool, guys. And I think you can adjust these screws here on the side as well, so you can make it loose or tighten it. So yeah. All right. So you talk on this microphone. You don't talk into it like this, right on. You're actually supposed to hold it up like that and talk into it like this. This is a great microphone if you do podcasts or something. Now I don't do podcasts, of course, but still, this should be a big improvement with the microphone compared to the microphone that I have been using. So very nice. So that's the unboxing part. So right now I'm just going to try to find some way to test this out. Maybe I'll record some brief gameplay footage or something, and we'll try doing a couple of voiceovers, and we'll see how different these two microphones sound. This will be pretty interesting. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm just going to make this simple and just show you a picture of the microphone that I am using. So as you can see, I am currently using the Logitech USB microphone. Same microphone I've been using all these years. And I've been using this microphone for a long time. It's probably been more of 6 or 7 years I've been using this microphone, because I've been using it a while. And it's definitely gotten the job done. The sound quality is not bad, though. The microphone has no kind of pop filter, so anytime I begin saying anything that starts with a P, you can definitely hear it. So that's definitely not good, and hopefully this Blue microphone will be a big improvement on that category. But as for the microphone itself, it's still okay. It's small, it's lightweight, and it's also cheap. So I mean, all that in consideration, the microphone's not terrible. It's done me a good job over the years for just doing what I do. But hopefully this Blue microphone is definitely a big improvement. And just to demonstrate, right now, I am currently talking maybe an inch or two from the microphone. So you gotta be right up on it. Now if I kind of scoot further back, this is several inches, and now it's 6 inches, and now I'm getting even further away. It's probably more like a foot now. And it's, as you can see, it's getting harder to hear me now and stuff. So it still picks up. Not bad from far distances, but it's definitely hard to hear it. So now I'm getting closer now and closer still, and now I'm back. So again, not terrible, but we'll see how much better this Blue microphone is. So let's switch over to the Blue microphone right now, and we'll see how that one sounds. I am really interested to hear. Alright, well, let me just say that my voice has never sounded better. Man, I mean, once you hear it, it is very apparent how much better this microphone is. The Logitech was fine, but once you hear this one, though, it is a really big jump, and it makes you think that the Logitech is actually crappy, because this sounds much better, and it also picks up much better, and it's much more sensitive. I had the gain turned down quite a ways, because the first time I recorded it, it was actually way too loud. And right now, I'm several inches away, and it's still picking up very well. And let me scoot even further back. I mean, you can hear my chair squeak, but right now I'm probably a foot back or more, and it's still picking up very well. So yeah, so needless to say, this is worlds better. And I could turn that gain up even more if I really needed to, because right now the gain is very low. So if I'm really far away, I could probably turn the gain really high up, and it would probably still be able to hear me pretty well. So yeah, I'm really liking this. So the only thing I'm not liking is that there's a red light, as you can see in the picture there. There is a red light on the mute button on the microphone, and that is always lit. Now, if you press the button to mute it, the red light blinks, and if you press it again to unmute it, the red light just stays on. So I'd rather have there be no light that stays on, but I mean, because I will have this because I want to have this plugged in all the time. My computer is on, and the entire time it'll be on. Well, the light will be on. So I'm not particularly liking that. The light that was on the Logitech microphone, that at least turned off when you turn the microphone off. So, but this one stays on the entire time. So, very minor, but still just something to know, something to make note of. But anyhow, guys, that's my little video here on this Blue microphone. This was definitely a surprise. I was not expecting to find this at all. This was definitely an impulse buy too. I wasn't actually planning on buying a Blue Yeti microphone, but I guess I was meant to. I guess I had to do it. So, and I'm very glad I did. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope now my videos will sound way better with my voice in them. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.